Good day! So meron na naman po tayong another interesting comment. So sabi ni ma'am, it's possible for some individuals to achieve remission, meaning yung blood sugar nila return to normal na without medications. So ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ni ma'am dito? Ang ibig sabihin po ni ma'am is diabetes in remission. So what is diabetes in remission? Ito po yung mga pasyente na napapababa yung blood sugar levels nila below diabetic levels for at least 3 months with diet and exercise alone and hindi kinakailangan uminom ng gamot. So sino po ang mga pasyente na pwedeng mag-diabetes in remission? Ito po yung mga newly diagnosed or yung bago pa lang nag-uumpisa ang kanilang diabetes at hindi pa masyadong mataas ang kanilang blood sugar levels. So with proper diet and exercise, ma-achieve nila ang HbA1c below 6.5 kung saan they are already in remission at hindi kinakailangan uminom ng gamot. But you have to remember, hindi po cure ang diabetes remission. Ang ibig sabihin lang nito, nakokontrol nyo ang inyong blood sugar levels without the need for medications. Kung titigil kayo sa pagda-diet and exercise, then tataas ulit ang blood sugar levels nyo back to diabetic levels.